In today's video, I'll show you how to change the upload date of a file in Google Drive. While Google Drive doesn't let you directly edit, upload, or modify dates, there's a simple workaround you can use to make a file appear newly added. The trick is to re-upload the file. This makes Google Drive treat it like a brand new upload, giving it a fresh date. Here's how to do it step by step. First, download the file from your drive. Just right-click on it and choose Download. Save it somewhere you can easily find on your computer. Next, decide what to do with the original file. You can delete it to avoid duplicates or move it into a separate folder if you want to keep a backup. Now, go back to your Google Drive homepage, click the New button, then select File Upload. Find the file you just downloaded and upload it again. Once it's uploaded, it will show the current date as its upload date. That's it. You haven't changed the file itself, only how it appears in Drive. This can be really helpful for organizing files or making certain documents look more recent. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next video.